Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News. I'm your host today, and we're going to explore a game-changing topic that's been making headlines in the automotive world: electric vehicles. With many of us considering a switch to an eco-friendly ride, you might be wondering what sets EVs apart from their gas-guzzling counterparts. First off, let's talk about emissions, a major concern for our environment. According to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, gasoline-powered cars emit over 4.6 metric tons of CO2 per year on average, while electric vehicles produce a mere 0.9 metric tons of CO2. That's a significant reduction in greenhouse gas emissions that can't be ignored. Now, when it comes to maintenance, EVs are often misunderstood as being more expensive to repair than traditional cars. However, at Electro Drive News, we found that this isn't always the case. In fact, many EV models come with fewer moving parts, which means less wear and tear on the vehicle over time. This translates to lower repair costs and extended lifespan for your car. Another often overlooked benefit of owning an electric vehicle is the reduced operating cost. With electricity being significantly cheaper than gasoline in most areas, you can save up to 70% on fuel costs alone, a substantial amount that can add up quickly over time. Plus, with many charging stations popping up across the country, finding places to plug in has never been easier. But what about range anxiety? You might be thinking, I've heard that electric cars run out of juice too easily. While it's true that early models had limited ranges, modern EVs have made tremendous strides in this area. With some models boasting over 300 miles on a single charge, you can drive with confidence knowing you'll always find a charging station nearby. In conclusion, owning an electric vehicle is not just a trend, it's a smart move for your wallet and the environment. At Electro Drive News, we're committed to bringing you the latest news and updates from the world of EVs. Whether you're considering making the switch or just want to stay informed about the latest developments in this rapidly evolving field, we've got you covered. Thanks for tuning in.